Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Happy Monday. Today I have 3 quick 5-minute DIYs for you. Very quick. Does anybody have a special project that they love to do? I don't know what it is, but I'm hooked on trays. And my name is Trays. How about that? Anyway, I love doing trays. I must have 15 trays. My roommate just gave me an idea, my tenant. She said I could hang them on the wall. That's a great idea. I could hang them in my craft room. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Anyway, I got this tray. I believe I got this at Goodwill. I think I spent like $2 or $3 on it. I just loved it. I love the look of it. I love this raw wood, although I am painting over it. I just love the simplicity of it. It's real wood. It was so adorable, so easy to paint. I just used this Waverly chalk paint in plaster, and I used about 2 coats. So after I painted it, I decided I was going to make a design on my silhouette cameo. I know everybody talks about this. They can't say enough good things about the silhouette and the Cricut. If you can afford it or if you can save up for it, definitely invest in one. It'll be the best investment you ever make if you're a crafter. It is so much fun and it can make you money. So anyway, oh my God, look at the fat sticking out of my stomach. That's my stomach. Ugh, that looks terrible. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. That looks terrible. I got a tight shirt on, so it's like, ugh, God, how embarrassing. Okay, anyway, so I make a design. I saw this design at Big Lots, and it was on a sign, and it said, "The snuggle is real." I thought it was so cute for the fall season, snuggle weather. So I decided to use that saying, and I just printed it up. I just went in my design store and wrote in "the snuggle is real," and it was there. So I just printed it up on my silhouette. After letting this dry, I attached it, and then to keep it in the fall, in the fall spirit, I took a couple of those little wooden leaves and pumpkins, and I painted, the ones from Dollar Tree. You'll see in a minute. I painted those orange, and then I glued those on so it just looks a little fallish. Anyway, this is my second coat, and I think I'll probably distress it a little bit. I'm not sure if I want to do it with a marker or with sandpaper. But yeah, guys, please leave me what your specialty is, what you're not addicted to, but like what you love the most. I love trays. Some people love doing windows. Some people love doing plaques. What do you love doing the most, guys? Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you like to do the best. So I know I drug this out a little bit. I apologize. The most of the time it takes for this project is letting the paint dry, as you all know. So here's what it looks like when it's all finished. See, there's a little wooden pumpkins and leaves. I love those little things. They have a little sticker on the back. And I'm sorry I didn't film me putting the design on the tray, but y'all know how we do that. Okay, next. This wooden box I found at Goodwill. I'm leaving it as is. I'm putting these pool noodles in there. I'm using them as foam. And I'm just filling them with Dollar Tree floral. I think I got this, the little pumpkin one right there at Walmart. I think they were like $2. So cute. It had like the pumpkin, some corn husk, some berries, all in one floral. Anyway, I love these florals here, these white ones, well, these off-white ones. So I'm just going to put one of these velvet pumpkins that I found at Dollar Tree. I think I bought like 4 of them. So cute. Love the colors this year. And I'm just going to separate all my florals. I like to separate each one so I can put them exactly where I want them. I'm going to put the pumpkin in the middle. And then I'm just going to decorate around it. Anyway, do you ever have the problem of recording and somebody keeps interrupting you? Right now I'm having my car looked at, and every time I start talking, my friend calls me for something. Okay, so I just continue, there's the pumpkin, I'm putting that in the middle, and I just keep putting my flowers around it. I never thought I was the best arrangement maker, but you know what? Keep practicing, and the better and better they look. I'm going to be doing a video. I would love to do a video soon. Do you guys ever, your friends ever say to you, oh, you're so talented, I could never do that? I want to do a video of some really popular crafters, some of their items, and show everybody that you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So I think that's going to be my next video. So this is what it looks like when it's finished. I think it looks pretty darn cute. Here's what it looks like set up as my decor. I love it. Very happy with it. So look at these little palettes. Oh my goodness. When I first started crafting, I was very into palettes. And Aaron. So when I saw these, I thought they were so adorable. I couldn't wait to make them into coasters, but I couldn't find them for the longest time. So I finally found them and picked them up. So all I'm doing is staining them. And then I'm going to put a polyurethane on the top of it. No, not polyurethane. Sorry, I'm lying. Mod Podge. I'm going to put Mod Podge on the top. And I have polyurethane sitting right there. Boy, I don't use my head sometimes. You know why? Because I was gonna Mod Podge a leaf on the top, and that didn't work out. So I decided to take the leaf off and just leave it plain. The leaf was too bumpy. But I wanted to make some fall coasters and put the leaf on top. Sometimes the craft just doesn't work out. So anyway, I just carefully, these weren't the easiest things to stain. but I do the best that I can. Anyway, in the next scene, you'll see the leaves on the side and how I just kind of ripped one off. So those were the leaves I was going to use, and it just didn't work out. So here I am just putting Mod Podge on them. So when you put your glass on it, it won't leave a wet mark, hopefully. If it does, I'll just go over it with a poly. And I do have 4 of them. I just have one set aside. I think it was the one that I ripped the leaf off of. Which is right there. Oh, you'll see me ripping the leaf off. Okay. So then I just peel all the glue off. Comes right off. It would have looked cute, right? Yeah, but it was too bumpy. So you can see how, you know, we do mess up, and there is a way to fix it. So I just pull all the glue off, get all the bumpy spots off, and then I go over it with more Mod Podge. So that's about it, guys. 5 easy crafts, and I mean easy. So if you like this video, please, guys, I only need 2 more subscribers, and I have 600. Come on, guys, help me out. Support me. Anyway, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell if you want to see more from me. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.